So the next option we will cover in the spawn section. I'll just delete the spawn rate and I'll go to the spawning. And we have cleared these all. The last is spawn per unit. We have cleared all. So I'll just click. You will not see any particle here because for this you need to move your emitter, your system. So if you drag this system in the viewport and you move this, particle will spawn. Very cool when you want only particle with movement, like character moving or anything like a sword moving. Any moving object you want to connect your particle and only it will take the moment to spawn the particle. So the features here, the options here, the first is spawn rate, actually spawn spacing. So this is the space between the units when you're moving your emitter. So the lower the space, more the particle, higher the space, lower the particle. So if you make this 2, now you'll see particle spawn very high. Okay, but when I'm moving it on the same speed, it's spawning particle. But if what if I move it very speed? On very speed. Now particle not spawning everywhere. They will just spawn when speed is lower when I'm like coming back. There's spacing. If you want to fix that, you can just increase this like this much. Or now you can see on any given speed particle spawning. Cool. The next thing is movement tolerance. It is very useful. It is like if now particle spawning on speed. If you want on a specific speed you want to spawn particle, below that speed you don't want particle, so you can use this. Like if you use like 100, now if I'm moving this emitter on a normal speed, it's not spawning. Let me turn this off. It's not spawning particle, but if I move it very high, more than 100, it will spawn the particle. Cool. So on a normal speed, it will not spawn. Like if you want character is walking, don't spawn particle. But if the character is running, you can spawn the particles. So you need to check this value for that. Spawn probability is the same like in all modules I have already cleared. Then it has spawn group that is also same in all given modules in spawn group. So I hope this is clear. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. Bye bye.